Hello, how you guys doing? I'm back here on the set. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Coinbase is the app we use. And we're not like other channels. We're basically talking in depth how to make Bitcoin work for you. How to make your Bitcoin grow. Strategies. Why you should get into Bitcoin now. It goes on and on. But most of all, help out in Cash App, $PAPAKRISTOS. Look for the samurai with the three eyes. Cash App, you could download on your phone or on your computer. So we're going to get right into it. If you've been keeping along with this portfolio that I created, now you would see from previous videos that, 4 days ago, 2 days ago, and a week ago, you could see basically the growth in the portfolio. Just yesterday, as we see here, 211, it was at 8,622.58, came up to 8,770 today, and it's growing as we speak to 9,000. So we see the growth there, we see the potential there. And we also know my history, if you've been keeping up with me, how I was basically had to pull money out in 2019, something I shouldn't have done, but due to the situation, that's why everybody's moving out of California. The cost of living is so high. But we're moving back up. We're staying strong, staying positive. Now, what we're going to talk about today is this right here. We're going to be talking about the APY. Now, you might say, why talk about that? Let me look for it right here real quick. Okay, it's in here's the portfolio. It's right here, APY. All right, yes. And as I go down here to look for it, give me a minute. Oh, it's not coming up. But we see here that this interest rate could really help your money grow for you. And if I could find it, just give me a minute. It's just crazy how it can't be fought. Maybe it's over here. Timeout. Lifetime reward. I was looking at this yesterday. Give me 1 minute. Well, it's not coming up. But you've seen how the portfolio has been growing, how this has been going on. Basically, little payments here and there into Bitcoin. You put a little bit here, put a little bit there, and before you know it, you could see your money grow for you. Now, what's the point of putting your money inside the bank when you could put it into Bitcoin and basically have your money double for you, like you've seen here? And what I'm looking for right now, it's the APY that basically could help your coins grow faster. And it is not showing up. I do not know why. Okay, no problem. Maybe every time when the phone app is basically different than the website. So usually I'll have like an APY up here, APY for each one. And what I saw was that with that, it grew. It basically will grow. Let me see if I can pull it up on my phone. It's not even showing on my phone either. Something's going on. Maybe I can't find it. I don't know where it's at. Well, something's going on right here. But we see right here that Maker has gone up a whole lot. It's now at $2,757.85. It's another growth like Bitcoin. It's up there. Look at it just skyrocket in 2021. It's just taken off. I believe it's another Bitcoin mover. Let's check out Bitcoin is up there. Ethereum is up there also. We see Ethereum is at $1,853.95. As I told you, one of my family members invested in it, my brother, and he put 7,000 in there when it was 777, and now he's reaping a lot of benefits, and he wished he would have bought more. And I told him just I would tell him just buy more, just keep on buying more coins because it's going to grow. And we could look at Ava. Let's see how Ava is doing today. Ava is negative 0.24. Something is going on with Ava. All. Let me see all. Is this Ava today? Let me see Ava. It showed a negative, then now it's showing a positive. Yeah, so it was showing a negative 24 hours ago, 1 hour ago. Oh, 1 hour ago. Something's going on here. 1 hour ago, so it's 1.11. So it was at 524. Now it's at 523. But it's saying negative 0.24%, and then now it's saying plus 1.11. And we see it right there. really, these are the high earners right here. Yet we know about the other Stellar Lumis. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, it's going up. It's 51 cents. It was at 40. It was in the 40s all last week, as we see here. February 12th, February 11th. Let's do all. Yeah, we saw that it's been in the 40s this whole January. So it's going up there. Buy some Stellar Lumis. They told you about it. The banks are coming in. It's gonna grow. It's gonna rise. It's gonna get up there. And you see as my portfolio's going. It's just looking decent, looking good. A lot of more money could be put in there. My tax return, I will be putting some money in there. So keep it up, guys. Basically, as you see here, from yesterday till today, we've seen a big growth right here. Okay, just in one day, it went up to close to $7,700 growth in one day. In one day, look at that. At 2:11. Okay, well, let's start at the beginning of the day, 8 o'clock a.m. It was at 8,616, and now from yesterday till today it's at 9,054. Okay, so we had a $350 growth. You can't get that in the bank in one day. So keep on investing. Like we said before, take advantage of the little ones. Go get those little coins. Now, I did log in to one of the coins, Crypto.com. I went to the website and I had an old account. Hold on. I had an old account in the crypto that I had not used. So I logged back on there on my phone, on my app, and believe it or not, I was able to buy the coins that I was unable to buy on Coinbase. So if you're unable to buy the coins on Coinbase, not that one was banana coin, not banana, BINANCE coin. I was unable to purchase this coin using on Coinbase, but I was able to purchase it in crypto chain. I logged into my account. I logged in and I bought it, and I have access to the other coins that I did not have access to, which was which one is it? Elrod. Elrod is just skyrocketing up there. Elrod is just looking good. It grew within 1 week. It went from $80 to $165. So say if you had a lot of coins there in Elrod, like 10 coins, you would have been doing really good. February 11th, it was at one. But the big thing about this was that December 24th, 21st, January 19th, I did not see Elrod till February 5th. And from there, it went up to where it is. It dropped from 215 now to 158. I think, what's the holding time? Let's look at the holding time. It does not show. But maybe the holding time is really short. People pulling out. But go to crypto.com. If you cannot get some coins on Coinbase, you could get it on crypto.com. Yeah, and let's check out what's on the news today with Max Kaiser over here. Basically talking about.
Have we hit peak Bitcoin?
So Max Kaiser, this week you tweeted a serious Bitcoin shortage is developing as supply on exchange dries up. Prices will start gapping higher, looking for sellers. What do you mean by this, Max Kaiser?
Well, remember the old peak oil or peak gold arguments that we are running out of oil or we're running out of gold. That, of course, is not true. But in the case of Bitcoin, because it is absolutely scarce and because the demand is approaching infinity, we are potentially hitting peak Bitcoin, where it will become increasingly impossible for the average mom and pop to acquire Bitcoin, because all the 900 coins per day that are generated through mining will be sucked up by the institutions and will never hit the market. And what we're seeing on the exchanges, all the major exchanges, is that their inventory of coin that they keep on hand to make markets is disappearing. They're running out of coins. And very few coins are coming into the market. And just the four biggest institutional buyers, including Cash App and Digital Currency Group and a couple of others, their daily demand is almost 3,000 coins. They only have 900 per day are being created. There's outstripping demand to supply already 3 to 1. That's going to go to 10 to 1, 21 to 100 to 1. And then it doesn't really make any difference because you just won't be able to get any.
Years and years ago, here on Kai's Report, we reported that Bitcoin would displace gold. That is turning out to be true. You see it in the numbers. You see people selling gold ETFs, and you see them buying Bitcoin ETFs like GBTC. And now the biggest fund manager in the world, which is BlackRock, they manage $7 trillion. BlackRock CIO says Bitcoin will take the place of gold to a large extent. Bitcoin's network effect has forced currency, and this is BlackRock's CIO of fixed income. He told CNBC last Friday, his name is Rick Reeder, he said Bitcoin is here to stay. While conceding that he is not a Bitcoin bull, Reeder said the flagship currency will, quote, take the place of gold to a large extent because it is so more functional than passing a bar of gold around.
Right, this is a remark.
Yeah, and that's the truth right here. Don't want to get no copyright, but go watch it, go check it out, build your portfolio. What I was looking for recently, one of the stuff about website and coin is that you can't leave it on forever. But let me show you right here. Okay, DAI right here. DAI it's a APY DAIA of 2%. Now I believe that it could. I see here that what is DAI? DAI is a decentralized stablecoin running on Ethereum that attempts to maintain a value of $1 USD, unlike centralized stablecoin. DAI isn't backed by the US dollar in a bank account. Instead, it's backed by collateral on the Maker platform node. If the DAI credit system is upgraded or shut down, DAI holders may need to convert their DAI to Ethereum through the Maker platform. Okay. And it's at an APY of 2%. Okay. Typical hold time 7 days. Now, for some reason, when I put my money in DAI, hope I'm saying it correct, I seen my coins go up higher. I seen them skyrocket. And the other one is Tezos. Tezos. Yes, right here. I saw a large growth in my portfolio due to the fact that I put some money in here. It's at 4.63 APY. So let's see what Tezos is. Tezos is a cryptocurrency and decentralized computing platform. Its features include proof of stake, consensual, formal verification, and the ability to let stakeholders vote on changes to the protocol. Tezos block creation process is called Bacon. Tezos holds who stakes their tokens can receive Tezos token as a reward for creating and verifying blocks. Ooh, that's a long. But when I put money in here, as I did yesterday, I saw a big growth in my portfolio. I seen it just take up, and I think what I'm speculating here is that when you put money in there, Tezos and DAI, you're basically, your portfolio grows faster. That's what I'm picking, because I seen that yesterday, where I put money in Tezos and DAI. Where are they at? Yeah, Tezos and DAI. I had put money in both of them, just little, $5, $10, $10 in Tezos, $5 in DAI, and I saw a big growth in my portfolio that same day. I just seen double digits just come into my portfolio. So check that out. Do some more research, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and check out what's going on here at Coinbase and see our portfolio grow. And we're just basically keeping on track with each other and waiting for the next big Coinbase or Ethereum. So stay tuned. Check out my other videos out here. Very, very important intellectual stuff about Coinbase, and also magic and everything else. And most of all, don't forget to Cash App. See the $ PAPAKRISTOS 1020. You know, whatever you could afford. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel. You know, it's thanks for coming by, and have a good day.